can't have you. I don't want you to have anyone.
Hey you guys, it is your girl Cleo Rose and I am back with another video. I guess you guys can already know, judging by the title, what we're getting into today. Your girl is super excited. If you've been to my channel before, hey girl, and if you have never been to my channel before, welcome. You're going to join the DREAMZ babes, of course, because who wouldn't want to be, obviously. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my videos, and we're going to get into this unboxing. So you guys, as y'all can tell, like, I had to put on my Zara Barbie hoodie because what wouldn't go right? Like, come on now, Zara. If you didn't know, Zara did a collaboration with the Barbie, with Barbie, and this is their hoodie. It's actually a crop top, and I actually got on the shorts too. Let me show you guys. Little crop top hoodie, and it fits super, it's contoured to your body. It fits snug, and then I just have on these shorts, and it has a little Barbie sign right here. Something very simple, very cute. Nothing, it's not giving too much, but a lot of booty. You hit me, girl. So yeah, I definitely would say if you haven't tapped into the Zara collection, to definitely tap into it. When I went into the store, this was like the first thing that I seen, so I grabbed it. Oh, and my nails is matching. Come on, we wear pink. It's not Wednesday, but we're gonna fake like it's Wednesday, y'all, just so that we can get the aesthetic, so we can be giving real cute, so we can be giving, Mean Girls, they only wear pink on Wednesdays, but today is Tuesday, so, but we gonna, y'all get the drift or whatever. And I did my little eyeshadow, like, come through makeup. So it wouldn't be right if I didn't do my makeup. We sitting here unboxing makeup, like, come on now, look, what's up? So yeah, had to give you a little spiel or whatever. But I'm very excited for this collaboration, because every time they do like a Barbie collaboration, I never get it, or I be BSing and I only get like part of it. But this time I actually got like the full holy, the full of it all. I did open the box already, as y'all can freaking tell, because I was super excited to get this package. But we're going to show y'all exactly what's in the box. So of course, when you get it, it comes in the little pink Colourpop box, and it says Colourpop on the little front or whatever. They give you a whole bunch of bubble wrapping, so your stuff won't get broken. Even though if you watched the last collaboration, you can see that my palette actually had like a color that was a little bit messed up, but I mean, it is what it is. So let's get into this. So the first thing we're gonna open is, look at the packaging, y'all. Look at the packaging. So the first thing we're gonna open is the hand mirror, which I did open this one because me and my best friend was on the phone trying to see what it actually, trying to figure out what it looked like. So it comes like this, and it's fairly small, but I think it is super duper cute. This is the mirror, and it says Barbie Colourpop on the back. It's pink. It's pretty. I feel like you can stick this in your purse, or like when you traveling and you want, like, because we all gotta have that mirror for when we doing our lashes, or when we trying to make sure our color is looking bomb on our eyelid, our eyeshadow. We always need that small mirror. So I definitely would say this is a good mirror to have. Just something handy where if you don't really have your vanity around, then that's a good mirror. So the second thing that comes in the Colourpop collaboration is these lashes, which they're called doll lashes. I think the box is super duper cute. These are the lashes that come. I wish they had like some fuller ones like mine, because no shade, but these are a little too thin for me. They might be like some cute little ones to throw on, but if y'all watch my videos when I actually do my makeup, I wear my own. If you don't know, shop Blue Dreams, the link is in the description box below. But my lashes are really full. I look really full lashes, so these are pretty cute. I might give these away. I should do a giveaway. I should actually do a giveaway with this stuff. I think that would be cute. So the next thing that comes in a collaboration is these 3 lip kits. So we have Golden Beach, we have Dream House. What's the focus? Yes. We have Dream House, and then we have Malibu Sunset. So let's swatch these really, really fast. I put on gloss already, so we're just gonna have to swatch these on my hand. But it comes like this, so you get a lipstick that's super duper cute, and then you also get like a lip liner. So this one is Malibu Sunset. Oh, it's like a raspberry, which I think is dumb cute. Oh yeah, so this is the liner, if it wants to focus. Okay, this is the liner and this is the lipstick. And then we're gonna do the next one. Oh, that's cute. It comes like this inside of the box. Like it has its own little section or whatever. Then the next thing we're gonna do is DREAMZ. Y'all, my camera is dying. I'm not trying to rush this unboxing, but I'm trying to hurry up and get enough. So, oh yeah, this is cute. So this is more like on the nude side of pink. So this one is the liner, and this one is the lipstick, which this is more like on the nudish side, I believe. I don't think it's really capturing like the full effect. You would just have to buy it to see. But yeah, it's giving really subtle, like, you know, probably an everyday thing. I don't think, actually these all might be an everyday thing. And then this one is Golden Beach. Oh, this is actually like a real nude, you guys, like for real. This is like a real nude. So this one is like a real nude. So this is the lipstick and this is the liner. It's giving brunch. All of them are actually giving brunch, honestly. Like something cute, something simple, you know. Day out with the girls, little weekend, little lippy, on the way to an interview, little lipstick. It's like, no, I'm stop playing. The next thing that's in here, I love the fact that all the stuff that is like for real breakable, whatever, aside from them putting all this bubble wrap in here, they actually individually wrap your stuff, which is amazing. So the next thing that we got is a palette. As you know, a girl loves a good palette or whatever. And it comes with 3, 6, 9, 12, no, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Come with 15 different colors. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, sorry, my battery really did die, so I had to end up switching cameras. You probably can tell like the different quality, but I mean, we still gonna rock out because y'all know y'all with me or whatever. But like I was saying, this is the palette. So these are like the different colors. I actually love this palette. I love that it has like the different shapes and like the palm tree, a rainbow, some hearts. They give you like literally the Barbie aesthetic with this one, because you know she's literally like pinks and mainly pastel colors, and it's like the golds, the nudes, the yellows, pinks, blues, browns, you know. And it gave you 2 different types of gold. It gave you like the darker side and then the lighter side of gold. So yeah, this literally screams Barbie all over it. And it also comes with like a little mirror, which I think is super duper cute, because a lot of palettes, especially Morphe palettes, they do not come with mirrors at all. So you have to use your little Barbie mirror that they gave you in this, or you have to use your vanity or whatever mirror you have access to. And I think that's so messed up. So Morphe, anybody from Morphe that's watching this video, please talk to them about putting like mirrors in y'all palettes. Like, I promise you, I could pull out 3 palettes right now and they ain't got no mirror in them. And I just be thinking that's so messed up. So messed up. Alright, so the last thing that's in this palette is actually some highlighter. A lot of collaborations don't even give you a highlighter. Like, the only thing they're missing is foundation. Like, if they would have given you foundation and concealer and a setting powder, you will be pretty much good to go. as far as like just something to get you started. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is the box that it comes in, and then this is what the palette actually looks like. And is it just one here? If it is, then oh my god, y'all, wait till y'all see this shit. Like what? Okay, so it's in the color Beach Party, and it says Super Shock highlighter. And I was super shocked when I opened this because baby girl, and it's a mirror up there. You just gotta pull the film off, period. This right here, do y'all see this? Like this highlighter, I feel like is going to be the highlighter of all highlighters. Like, come through, Colourpop. Like what? So yeah, this is a bomb collaboration. I'm happy that I did spend my money on it. If you don't know, the collaboration came out on, what month we in? May 15th, 13th, 15th. When did it come out? This collaboration came out on May 13th. The whole set went for, with tax, well, with my tax because it was DC tax, it came to $104.94, which honestly is not that bad for a collaboration like this. I definitely would say that you should go get your hands on this. This right here was like super duper cute. I love it. The next collaboration, I'm going to get it. Like what? I feel like if you didn't get your hands on this collaboration, that watching this video would actually change your mind on getting this collaboration, because they came through. So probably my next look, my next Barbie look is going to come from my Barbie set. The next lippy that y'all see, that if it's not Blue Dreams, is going to be Colourpop, because they always been rocking with your girl. I like, not even gonna fake y'all, I've been wearing Colourpop since I was in like high school. Like when they was just known for doing straight lip, like the liquid lipsticks. Like that was all they had. They didn't have all of this collaboration. They didn't have like a whole bunch of just different things. Like I don't even think they didn't even have concealer yet. They didn't have foundation. They didn't have none of that. They only had lipstick and a dream, and now they're popping. So I appreciate Colourpop for everything that they've been doing. I'm still going to be rocking with y'all, even with my own brand. Like I said, don't forget to shop them because you know you girl. And I am going to run a Memorial Day sale. Also, if you've never seen the previous video when I was talking about the new lash boxes that are coming out, those will be on the site as of Memorial Day, and I'm going to run a 25% off sale only for 24 hours. I'm going to start it on Sunday and it's going to end on Memorial Day night, so don't forget to shop with me, period. I am going to add the new lashes on there. It's just a whole lot of that's going to be on the site as of Sunday. I said Monday, but as of Sunday, because it's going to be a part of the sale. So don't forget to, you know, do what you gotta do. I appreciate Colourpop for everything that they did. Honestly, I'm about to go take pictures so I can add this up on Instagram, because this is bomb, y'all. It's bomb. So yeah, thanks for kicking it with your girl, doing this unboxing. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and to me, and don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is down in the description box below. Don't forget to follow the store Instagram, which is at Blue Dreams Cosmetics. It's also down in the description box below, and I'm literally going to catch y'all in the next unboxing, because I have something very special for you guys. I feel like if you don't have it, then you just don't have it, and you need to go get it. So yeah, like your girl would never see you wrong. But anywho, thanks for kicking it with you. I love you. See y'all. I'm gonna have to cut that out too.